a cos theta whole power 2 by n, a into sin theta whole power 2 by n. This x and y satisfies this equation. If you substitute x here, this x, then what you will get? This one, this power n means a power n into cos square theta. This if you substitute here, what you will get? A power n into this to the power n means n will get cancelled, sin square theta. So a power n into sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? A power n. That means this x and this y will satisfy this equation. This is called any point on the curve. When the curve is like this, if you take x and y like this, it is easy to calculate derivative as well as tangent equation. Suppose some formulas you have to remember. X power 2 by 3 plus equal to, suppose let us say it is like this, a power 2 by 3. Curve is given like this. So curve is given like this. Then you remember point you have to take is, look at, n is what about 2 by 3. N is 2 by 3. If you substitute n equal 2 by 3 here, the point you have to take is a sin cube theta. N is 2 by 3, substitute. That means if this type of curve is given, standard curve this is, you take the point as x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. Now look at tangent equation also you have to remember. Tangent equation. Remember this tangent equation I have shown how to calculate dy by dx and then x comma y this and writing. Remember this shortcut. So tangent equation is remember this one, x by a cos theta plus y by a sin theta equal to 1. This is tangent equation. You have to remember this formula. In number of problems you will get this tangent. Similarly, normal equation. Normally, these two you have to remember. For some curves directly remember. X cos theta minus y sin theta equals to a cos 2 theta. So this is tangent equation, normal equation. Remember for this curve. Next, another curve. There are few shortcuts you have to remember. Suppose it is like this curve, x power 1 by 3 plus y power 1 by 3 equal to a power 1 by 3. Look at the equations you have to take is x equal to a cos power 6 theta. Especially tangent equation is very important. You have to remember tangent equation. Sin power 6 theta. Now look at tangent equation is very important. Remember this tangent equation is nothing but tangent equation, you remember, important this is. X by a cos power 4 theta plus y by a sin power 4 theta equal to 1 for this curve. Next, suppose the curve is like root x plus root y equal to root a. So the point on this curve will be of the form a cos power 4 theta comma this. So tangent equation is very important. Tangent equation. Tangent equation. These three formula you would remember. Whenever this curve you got tangent, directly write this. Whenever this curve you got tangent, directly write this. Whenever this curve tangent, directly write like this. Then problem will become easy. Look at how the problem will be. Let a tangent to curve intersects coordinate axis then he will give like this, right? Number one, sum of intercepts on coordinate axis of tangent is dash. Now I have told the tangent equation. So tangent equation is what? Tangent equation I told. Tangent equation you write x by a cos theta plus y by a sin theta equal to 1. Right? So this is x. This is x intercept. This is an intercept form. This is y intercept. Sum is nothing but. And what is asking is this intersects coordinate axis. Wait. Here change. Sum of squares of intercepts. Sum of squares of intercept. So this is a form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. That means what is x intercept? A cos theta. What is y intercept? Sum of squares is nothing but this square plus this square. That means a square into 1. What is the answer? A square, like that. A square is the answer. Suppose question is asked like this. Portion of tangent portion of tangent between coordinate axis is dash. Portion of tangent between coordinate axis is dash. That means look at tangent line is intersecting like this. Let us say this is A, this is B. Portion of tangent between coordinate axis means this AB. What is this A? The x-intercept is A cos theta, comma 0. Y-intercept is 0, comma B sin theta. Right? So that means this is nothing but AB distance. Root of A cos theta minus 0 whole square. That means A square cos square theta plus this is A only A square sin square theta. That means root of A square. That means modulus A. Such that AB length will be positive. That is the answer. Modulus A. Like that, if you remember this one, you can easily calculate. Tangent equation, you remember that. Look at next problem. If tangent to curve, if the tangent to curve A greater than 0, cuts off intercepts P comma Q on coordinate axis, then root P plus root Q equals to root A to root A B. Look at this problem. So tangent, I told, look at tangent equation, I told the formula. Write that formula for equation of tangent to that curve. Tangent tangent equation is this. So intercepts means P is nothing but this. This is P, this is Q. Root P plus root Q is nothing but root of this means root A cos square theta plus root A sin square theta. That means what is the answer? Root A. Like that you can easily calculate if you remember the formula. Next, the sum of intercepts on coordinate axis of any tangent to root x plus root y equal to root a is dash. Suppose it is asked like this. Root x plus root y equal to root a. I told the formula tangent is nothing but equal to 1. This is the tangent equation. So sum of this is x-intercept, this is y-intercept. Sum is required, sum is nothing but a cos square theta so a into 1 that is nothing but a. A into 1 that is nothing but a. That is the answer. Like that, remember this. Or standard curves. Suppose if you don't know such type of equation, these three are standard curves I told. Suppose generally how to do such type of problems, we will see one problem. Look at. If the tangent at any point on curve x power 4 plus y power 4 equal to a power 4. A power 4 cuts off intercepts p comma q on coordinate axis then p power minus 4 by 3 equal to look at this. So generally such type of problem will arise. Look at generally we will solve this without taking any shortcut. Generally look at curve you take tangent is intersecting let us say a b right curve you take like this right tangent is drawn at some point in this case you take like this x1 y1 x1 y1 let p be any point on the curve generally take it as x1 y1 now I want to write tangent equation take the curve equal to a power 4 p x1 y1 lies on it on the curve point lies whenever you are taking the point that point must lie on the curve then this one condition will be there x1 to the power 4 plus y1 to the power 4 equal to a power 4 now find dy by dx derivative of this is what 4x cube derivative of this is what 4y cube into dy by dx equal to 0. That means dy by dx is nothing but minus x cube divided by y cube. Now dy by dx at p, at which point? At p x1 y1, that is slope of tangent. That means what is that? Minus x1 cube divided by, that means this is slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. So now tangent equation is nothing but y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. X minus x1. Right? So now you have to find x-intercept and y-intercept. So that means I want to convert this into intercept form. Minus y1 to the power 4 equal to minus x1 cube into x plus x1 to the power 4. Bring this side. So x terms equals to, bring this side, x1 to the power 4 plus y1 to the power 4. This is nothing but from 1. This is nothing but from 1. A power 4. Right? So you want x-intercept and y-intercept. Convert this into x by a plus y by b equal to 1. X divided by, bring this a power 4 this side and write like this, a power 4 divided by x1 cube, y divided by a power 4 divided by y1 cube equal to 1. Now this is x-intercept, this is y-intercept. So therefore, what is asking? P to the power. So P to the power minus 4 by 3. That means a power 4 divided by x1 cube this. So look at now, a power minus 1 by 3 divided by x1 to the power minus 4, y1 to the power minus 4. That means if it comes up, it will become x1 to the power 4, y1 to the power 4. You take a power minus 1 by 3 common. So x1 to the power 4. So from first one, a power 4. So that means we correct only. So this is what, a power 4. So a power చూడడం ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ ఉందా? Minus, somewhere mistake is there. Identify a power 4 by ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది చెప్పండి. ఏంటమ్మా చెప్పు, ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఎక్కడమ్మా? Right. Minus 16 by 3. అంతే కదా. Mute అవ్వమ్మా. Plus 4. This. So therefore, you will get a power minus 16 plus 12 minus 4 by 3. That is the answer. A power minus 4 by 3. P power minus 4 by 3 plus Q to the power minus 4 by 3. Same thing you will get. A power minus 4 by 3. Symmetrically it will be. Like that generally, if you don't know the formula, take x1, y1, write the tangent, convert into intercept form and then do the problem. You will have a relation always. Because point lies on the curve, it must satisfy that. Such type of models. Okay, we will go to the next model. Look at next. A curve given by equations are given. X equals secant square t comma y equal to cot t. Parametric equations are given. If the tangent at the point P at the point P at t equal to pi by 4 at t equal to pi by 4 meets the curve again at Q, then PQ distance equals to look at this. So look at very important. Tangent is drawn at some point t equal to pi by 4. Look at t equal to pi by 4. That means t equal to pi by 4. What is the t equal to pi by 4? X is, if you substitute pi by 4 here, secant square pi by 4. That point will have x coordinate, this y coordinate. cot pi by 4. That means this is 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. So at this point you have to find equation of tangent. Now curve, look at curve. This is nothing but from these two you find relation between x and y, then you will get curve. 1 plus tan square t y equal to cot t. I can write this as, what implies, what is the curve actually? 1 divided by y square. 1 divided by y square. This is the equation of the curve. Curve you can get by eliminating the t. So x is 1 plus y square. Now I can find the equation of tangent. Derivative on both sides. Derivative on both sides means this is 1 equal to 0 plus d by dx of y power minus 2. Y power minus 2. That means 1 equals to minus 2 into y power minus 3 into dy by dx. dy by dx. Substitute 1 comma 2. That means y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 means, that means dy by dx. This is slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. That means what is this? 8 by minus 2 minus 4. Right? Slope of tangent is what? Minus 4. So minus 4. Now I am writing equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at P. At P. P is this point. So that means y minus 1 equals to m minus 4 into x minus 2. X minus 2. That means 4x plus y. 4x plus y equal to 8 plus 1 9. That implies y equal to 9 minus 4x. Right? So now what he is telling is, look, understand the meaning. There is a curve like this. There is a curve like this. Tangent at P. Whenever tangent at some point meets at Q, draw curve like this. Right? So draw the tangent. I am drawing tangent at P. It meets the curve again. If the curve is like this, then it will meet. Tangent drawn at P. It is meeting at Q. Whenever tangent at some point meet at some other point, take the curve like this. Right? So now this tangent line, so this Q is nothing but point of intersection of tangent and curve. Look, Q point, P point is already known. PQ distance means Q point you have to calculate. PQ is point of intersection of tangent and curve. That means you have to solve both. So that means what are those? Y equal to 9 minus 4x comma curve. Curve is nothing but x equal to 1 plus 1 by y square. 1 by y square. Let us solve this. So look. So y I am substituting. X minus 1 equal to 1 divided by y is what? 9 minus 4x whole square. 9 minus 4x whole square. This, so that means if you solve this, 9 minus 4x whole square into x minus 1 equal to 1. Sorry, curve tangent 2 comma 1. Tangent correct only. 1 equals 0 plus y power minus 2 minus sorry check concentrate y kada 1 minus 2 by 1. I have substituted x. Concentrate all of you. So minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 right minus 1 by 2 2y minus 2 equals to minus x. So x equal to 2y minus 4. X equal to 2y minus 4. X equal to bring that side 4 minus 2y. X is nothing but 4 minus 2y. Four minus 2y. Right? Now solve x you substitute. 4 minus 2y equal to 1 plus 1 by y square. 1 plus 1 by y square. So 3 minus 2y into y square equal to 1. That means you will get 2y cube. Bring this side 2y cube minus 3y square plus 1 equal to 0. Plus 1 equal to 0. You have to find roots. So by trial and error, we will find one root, y equal to 1. Y equals to 1. But then by synthetic division, you have to do. Okay. Y equal to 1 is one factor. Y equal to 1 is one factor. Right? So y cube term, y square coefficient, y coefficient constant. Y cube is what? 2, y square term is minus 3, y coefficient 0, constant 1. How to do synthetic division? Below this 0 you substitute. 2 plus 0 is what? 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1, that is 0. That is 0. That means y equal to 1. You got 1. Then this one. 2y square minus y minus 1 equals 0. If you factorize this, y minus 1 into 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Y minus 1 into 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Right? You want to find cube. Look at y equal to 1 implies x equal to 4 minus 2y. X is what? 2. That point is nothing but P is what? This P only you will get 1 comma 2, that is already there with us. P 2 comma 1. One point of intersection already known. This is 2 comma 1 that already known. You want Q point. That means y is minus 1 by 2. Y is minus 1 by 2 means x is 4 minus 2y. 4 minus 2y means what you will get? If you substitute minus 1 by 2, that is 5. So therefore, Q point is nothing but 5 comma minus 1 by 2. 5 comma minus 1 by 2. So therefore, you want distance between PQ. That is your answer. PQ is nothing but root of 5 minus 2 whole square 9 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square 3 by 2 whole square 9 by 4. 36 plus 9, 45. This, so this is nothing but 9 into 5, 3 root 5 divided by 2. That is the answer. 3 root 5 divided by 2. So D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Like that, whenever tangent at a point P meets the curve at Q, first find tangent at P and then for Q point solve that line and the curve. Then you will get Q point where it meets again. Look at next problem. If the tangent at P on curve 4t square plus 3 comma y equal to 8 t cube minus 1 comma t belongs to R. T belongs to R meets or again at Q, then Q equals to t square plus 3 comma minus t cube minus 1 4t square plus 3 comma minus 8 cube minus 1 t square plus 3 comma t cube minus 1 16 t square plus 3 comma. Look at this problem, last problem. Look at P. Tangent at P. P means that will have x coordinate this, y coordinate this. That means P will be like this, comma 8t cube minus 1. What is telling? Tangent at P meets the curve again at Q. Again at Q. Any point will be in this form. If you want to take Q point, you take here T is there, then some other. Similarly, 4t1 square plus 3, comma 8t1 cube minus 1. If it is T here, there T1. That means you have to find T1 in terms of T, then you will get Q point. T1 in terms of T you want, right? For that at P slope of tangent, I want to calculate at P slope of tangent. For the two equations are given. So dy by dt dy by dt equals to what? 8 into 3t square. That means 24t square. dx by dt. dx by dt is nothing but 8t. So therefore, dy by dx equal to, this is slope of tangent at P. It is nothing but 8t divided by 24t square. 1 by 3t. 1 by 3t. Now look at. So this P is there, this Q is there. I am finding slope of line PQ. This tangent line is nothing but line passing through PQ also. I am finding slope of PQ. Y2 minus Y1. Y2 this minus this, that means 8 common. Minus 1 will get cancelled. T1 cube minus T cube divided by x2 minus x1. 3 cancel. 4 into T1 square minus T square. 4 ones, 4 twos. That means this is nothing but A cube minus B cube. A minus B into A square plus A square plus AB plus B square divided by T1 minus T into T1 plus T. This, so now PQ slope is nothing but slope of tangent. This slope and this slope both are same line. These both are equal. That means equate that. T1 square plus T1 plus T square divided by T1 plus T equals to this divided by this 3T. This divided by this 3T. That means 3T. That implies T1 square plus T1 plus T square equals to, bring this side, 3T1 plus 3T square. 3T square. Right? So now I want to find T1 square. T1 square. So 3T1 minus 3T1 minus 2T1 minus 2t t1 minus 2t square minus 2t square. Factorize this. T1 square t1. So what you will get? Minus 2t1. So minus 2t square equal to 0. Correct? 'What is the slope? This t1 square plus t1 plus t square divided by t1 plus t equal to 3t. 3t t1 plus 3t square. T1 square factors రావట్లేదు కదా. 24t square 8t. Correct only? Is there any mistake? Slope of PQ. Sorry, 2 is there. 2 is there. 2 into. So 2 into wait over plus 2t square plus 2t1 plus 2t square. That means you will get 2t1 square minus tt1 minus tt1 minus t square equal to 0. Factorize this over last step. Minus factorize this 2t1 plus t1 this 2 into minus 1 factorizing. That means 2t1 you take common t1 minus t plus if you take t common t1 minus t equal to 0. t1 minus t common 2t1 plus t equal to 0. So right, so now you are getting t1 value. Look at t1 value last step. T1 value is T, or otherwise T1 value is nothing but minus T by 2. T1 equal to T means P only you will get. If T1 equal to T substituted, don't take equal value. If T1 equal to T, then P coincides with Q. So if T1 equal to minus T by 2, then Q point is nothing but 4 into T1 is minus T by 2 whole cube plus 3 comma whole square. So therefore Q point is nothing but T square plus 3 comma minus T cube minus T cube minus 1 minus T cube minus 1. So first option is correct. First option. Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.